Okay guys, so here are the beautiful jelly gels, pretty much in rainbow color. Okay, so I just left them with a single coat, each one of them, and finished with a jelly, the glossy top coat. And yes, they are buildables. The more layers you apply, the more solid they will start becoming. Okay. And now let me just to give you a hint on the application for these gels. You will want to really float your brush as you're applying them, rather than you don't want to pull the color away. So try to hold your brush as parallel to the nail as possible so you can float the product. So here you have this, start out with this beautiful navy blue, a purple, pretty much a brown. Then we have a deep red there, almost a burgundy. This was more of a red. This gorgeous pink, pretty much almost like a neon jelly pink. I love it. This one's an interesting color. So this one's like a muddy yellow. It has some brown undertones there, maybe some green undertones. This one is like a mustardy yellow. It has some orange undertones. And this one's a beautiful, bright, sunny yellow right there. Looks very neon-like. And right next to this neon green, absolutely gorgeous. Then we go to a more of a true green, and last finish here with this is a turquoise green. Beautiful colors. So now let's